Hi Hari, today we are going to draw the flag of Guatemala. You can see that I have previously drawn the rectangle here, and it has three segments. So two segments is the color. The middle segment is going to be the white color, and it has special symbols which is previously drawn. Alright, now I'm going to fill up the side portion which is on the left side and on the right side of the flag. So this is the sky blue color, very soft blue color. That's why I'm going to fill up with slowly. All right, and trying to make the color as uniform as possible so that this small segment of this rectangle looks good. Filling up with the edge of the smaller portion. All right, so after putting all the colors, the flag is already, you can see here. This is the flag of Guatemala. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the more updates. You can also browse through the playlist to select your drawings from different categories. All the tutorials are given there. We have lots of drawings also here. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.